During his recent trip to southwest China's Tibet, Muhammad Ashkar, an experienced journalist from Pakistan, was impressed by the autonomous region's social and economic development in recent years.
Whatever I have seen, that is very amazing, and particularly the road infrastructure, transportation, linkage is connected through air, by air with other cities of China, and through rail link with other cities. For me, it was so surprising to be here to see. And that village basically attracted me most. Even that village has a lot of facilities. We visited some farms, and also we went and talked to the households through their body language. They looked very satisfied, very happy, and also that is very important is they are enjoying their own culture. So the local people, they speak their own language. They live according to their beliefs, as I know that most of them are Buddhist, and then they all follow and enjoy their own culture. That is wonderful.